Hello traders, we're back again with one more setup this time, and it is NZDCAD. Before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh, and it is currently 2:51 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST. Let's get back to my chart right here. What we have here, NZDCAD on 4-hour time frame, okay? This is your resistance. We have left the resistance, broken these previous lows, and new low pullback. New low has to be created. The significant previous new lows are not touched yet. This is the fresh support zone. Okay, so these are fresh zones. So price needs to come till here. My profit is the black line around 7,980. So we're gonna enter at the current price. This red candle was my entry around 8047. So 8047 till 7978. How many pips? 47 plus 22, 60 almost, right? So we're gonna get around maybe 55 to 60 pips in this trade. Let's calculate again. 22 plus 47, maybe more. Okay, more. So we entered here at 45, and then 45 plus 22, 67. Okay, so we're gonna make more than 65 pips in this trade, hopefully, because this low is not touched yet. So enter short, and then I'll come back and record the video when my black line touches the price, or the price touches the black line. Okay, so till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here with the take profit video. So let's check the date and time first. Refresh, and currently it is 5:23 a.m. Wednesday 20th of May 2026 in EST. I closed these trades yesterday, by the way, on 19th itself, so I'm recording the video later on. What we got? We entered at this black line at the top, and we were out at this candle because I did not want to wait through the pullback. Okay, so this is your new low. Now we might come down, but we might go up as well. Okay, so I think in the beginning of the video I told you the take profit will be somewhere around below this 7A 77777 more down. Let me go back. Hang on tight. This is what the take profit was, I think, in the beginning of the video, right? So I said the take profit is going to be this black line in the beginning of the video. It might still come down. Okay, it's taking a pullback, and that might make a new low, right? Now this looks clean. So yes, new low, pullback, and then we might continue going down. Time will tell. Okay, but I am out of the trade already with this is called improvisation in the live market. Okay, so we entered here, and when the price tried to come back up at this candle, I was out because we were trying to break this high. Okay, so this high is about to break, so I decided to exit. That's called critical thinking. That's called knowledge of the market and the price behavior mechanism, etc., 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 blah blah blah. Okay, so I made 15 pips. That's what I'm trying to say. Come here, NZDCAD, entry at 80458, exit at 80306. So we made 45 pips. Stay happy. Chill, man. You made some money, okay? Money is money. 15 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips. Man, it's money. Free money. Come on. Okay? So we might go down. Who cares now? We are out of the trade, right? So this is how you know what are you dealing with. Okay? So one thing you have not noticed, because people, we are humans, we only like to complain. We like to complain, oh, only 15 pips, why not 50 pips, why not 100 pips? Or don't you see one thing here, that I was bloody right about the direction, that I told you at this candle that we're gonna go down. We went down. That's what gives me happiness. It doesn't make me happy how many dollars do I make. You need money, I guess. I understand that, but it's not about the money. It's about the knowledge. I told you will go down. We did go down. That's what gives me happiness. I made 15 pips. I made 50 pips. I hardly care because I can make them again. But what I am happy about is, if I said it's going to go down, then it went down. That's what the expertise are. If you want these expertise on rent, go and join the program below so that you can enter and exit with me in live markets and get my guidance on chat live. You can chat with me live, okay? So you can join the program. You'll find the link below, maybe this video or somewhere. Go and find the link and help yourself. If you don't help yourself, nobody can. Till then, see you again.